Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Talking about he want to go to Straw Mall, spend my money off.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Next time. Yeah, I'm getting 5 more sulfurs. We get some fresh fries. You know how they are in here. Ooh, look at that. Can I have some? Aw, give me one. You don't like when I take his food. Oh damn, I forgot to add lettuce on it. I was supposed to add lettuce, I forgot. How you feeling, Papa?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Look at these houses. Look at this old house. This house look like a haunted house. Look at this. Look at this house. Nobody not living here. Look at that. Give me a hand. Come. Hold my hand. Alright, we gotta go back on Main Street because I'm trying to find this place. Look at the Christmas trees. Literally, you could take one of these for Christmas tree. Well, the green one. That's if they want to use that. I don't know. I need to find this place. I need a salad. Oh, this is Main Street. This is Main Street right here. Alright, so the address is 5. Hold on, let me put the address again. Hold on. I think it's up that way. The address is 534 Main Street. And this is where they pick me up at to go back to New York. So I have to come back here at McDonald's and they pick me up from here. But what? Popeyes? You just no, Kimani. You literally just had a McDonald's. You're not getting no Popeyes. You just had lunch. What are you talking about? It's not done the time yet. No Popeyes. Come on.
Take out that portion.
But yeah. Look how tall my baby is. He is so tall. Am I hungry though? Honestly, I had oats when I was coming. But I mean, I could just buy it and just put it in my bag. You know? Because I'm not coming back up this way. Right there. Period. Today is October 1st. Yeah. It's rent day. So Kimani want me to go to the Straw Mall to spend money on these. So yeah, since I brought him to that place, the city in the rise in the city, he all of a sudden he wanna start I don't know, I'm not gonna say all of a sudden, that's what he likes. So yeah, but he wanna start, you know, DJ. This American case sucks. Don't want that. Alright, we gotta be up that way. Cause Main Street go that way. Straight up. So you gonna go there and get that salad. See, I hate this. Cause the light says stop, but yet I don't know. I never like crossing this part. Huh? Who? Who's that? It's a Chinese place right here. Fule. Chinese and Asian. Let me see the prices. Shrimp egg roll. How much is 4 wings and fried rice? What is it? I don't even see it. Oh, chicken wings. You see that? What the fuck? That's for 4 wings. It's $8. That better be real rice. Where you going? You better get out of here. No tattoo. What are you talking about? Tattoo. Where you going with this little boy? You a teenager? You think you growing or something? But tattoo. I don't even got no tattoo. What do you want tattoo for? Papa, wait. I'm trying to find this place. I know I didn't pass it. Oh, there it goes. Found it. It's right there. I know it wasn't far from here. So we're going to try this place out. Hopefully it's not expensive. I just want a salad. NY Street Grill. We're going to try it out today. Come. That's where I'm going. Oh, nice. Water right there. I got water on here. Oh, they got a salad. The salad is $10 for a salad. Oh hell, come over here. Look at that menu. Like $10 for a salad, they crazy. Be careful. Oh, damn bright. Like, they're more expensive than New York. Are you serious? Why is the chicken over rice $12.99? Please explain that to me. Why is chicken over rice $12.99? The salad was like $15. Who have I sold for $15? Right. I'm really looking at place right now. Like, no, for real. Like, who buying a salad for $15? Not me. Y'all know me already. Like, and knowing the portion, it ain't gonna be a lot. But at least I came and see what it was. Like I said, I had oats. So, you know, oats is very filling, so I wasn't really hungry, but I did want a salad. But that's funny. Anyways, we're going somewhere else. And as always, I gotta go shopping with my papa before I leave. I gotta go to the gym tomorrow. I ain't been to the gym in a couple of days. Oh, no, I'm going to the gym. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh, child. Oh, gosh. Never in my life again would I eat American KFC. The last time I had it was 2006 or 7. No, 2007 or 8. And I was like, yeah, okay. I'm good on you. Beer grease on my chest. And I'm not doing that. Yeah. That's why I said the KFC in the Caribbean is always better. Like, why would you eat KFC here? And my mother wanted to taste it. I'm like, Mommy, no. You're not gonna like it. But if you want to try it, I told her you're not gonna like it. It's gonna your chest I go start hurt you. Like, she wanted to try it though. You know what? I don't even know if she did because no, she didn't. Because she did, she would have told me. That's why she wanted to try the seafood and I bought it for her. She loved it. She loved that seafood. The only thing she didn't want it was shrimp. She didn't like shrimps. She got everything else but shrimp. But yeah, I gotta go to the gym tomorrow. And I have an appointment on Monday. So yo, if y'all knew the scare I had last week, tomorrow's gonna be a week. I had a crazy scare with my papa last week. Like, it's crazy. But I'm not gonna go into details of what happened. But just know that shit was scary for me and his dad, because his dad called me crying. So yeah. But yeah, as a parent, you don't want to go through that. That's all I'm gonna say. It's my only one. My life right here. My life, my everything. Bus. I always miss it when they pass. Their bus come every hour, y'all. Like, yeah. What? Yeah. Who? Come, let's go, hurry. Run. Their bus come every hour. Like, who have time to wait in a bus every hour? Like, this how, like, if you don't have a car, you're gonna be wasting money. That's what I'm gonna say. That's why Listen, I'm staying in New York, and Kimani gonna have to come back to New York because I ain't moving up here. That's what it's gonna be, unless I decide to move to a different state. Yeah, I've heard stories from people moving out of New York and coming back. And I don't want to be one of them person. We're in Giant, and then they got lots of sales. It's 2 of them for $14. That's not bad. Seafood spot be having 1 for $15. But this is a big supermarket. I should have showed it from the front. This supermarket is so big. And it's the name, Giant. Like seriously. This is what I'm looking at. These are ramens. 79 cents. That's not bad. I guess we gotta get rid of these stuff. So this is 10 for 10 elbows. Supermarket is big as hell. Alright, let me get 2 of these. I'm trying to see what flavor to get though. Fried noodles. Orange package is what? Special chicken. This chicken. I'm gonna try this one too. And this one. I think it's only 3 kinds. This is chicken curry. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Only 3. You want chicken legs or you want chicken wings? Or chicken thighs? I think you want a lot of legs. Chicken legs, right? $7. That's wings.
Chicken leg.
Okay, it's right here. Oh, come put it in the bag. Wait, get a bag. Right here. Come. Open it. Hold it. Hold it, baby. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to the cart. We got the pumpkins out. Look how they pay over here. $13 an hour. Crazy. $13 an hour. Slaving people. Look at him. Don't want to bring the bag. It's your stuff. Well, some of it. He just never want to bring the bag. That's all we get. Lazy. Money, you gonna bring this bag. So here, take it.
Yeah.
Take it. Taking it? Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job. So we're going to Walmart as always. Look at the pumpkins. Look. Pumpkins. Get the cart and let's do what we do best. Spend money. Welcome. Put it in there. Come here, put it in. I know you don't want to bring it. Go ahead. Like a line. I wish I could get some of these water. I love these water. Their water tastes so good. This is Walmart brand, and it's only $5, $6 for 5 and change for 40 pack of water. I forgot which one was in Brooklyn, man. These fresh, so soft and nice when they just come out. Sorry. Thank you. It's so soft and nice when they come out. Oh my god, this smells so good. Freshly baked. These are cheaper. I'm gonna get like 4 of them. But I love avocado. I don't want them to be right now anyway, so it don't even matter. I have one that's right there. Alright. Kimani stuff. Got some wheat flour because I'm cutting out the other flour. And some chicken strips. Guys, Oreos, fries. I don't know if I'm buying this myself. Bread. It's chips. I don't know which one is olive oil. Sorry, Papa. I don't know which one is olive oil to buy. I don't know. We're gonna see when we go up there. Let's go. The receipt for me. You be buying food. You don't play. Need it, man. This is the groceries I got today. 4th here. And I bought this. Sesame seed. Turkey bacon. Organic beef patties. Celery. Parsley. Some crackers, cauliflower. This is supposed to be Kamani's, but mistakenly got in my bag. Some tuna, eggs, some wheat flour. Making some homemade fries. It's Sunday, October 2nd, and going to the markets. And some greens. Got a juice today. It's 54 degrees, so it's cold, yeah. Chilly. I should have my freaking winter coat right now. That's what I should have been wearing. But and even in the rain, Jamaicans still be jerking chicken. When it easy, you know? We can zoom in real quick. Showing Ragwan. Yeah, he's still jerking. He don't care. He's like, listen. Chicken's still like a jerk, man. Oh yeah. So, should I zoom in out? I'll get a sticker, but not me showing you all the garbage. Oh yeah. I was trying to buy Appt in Walmart yesterday. I forgot what brand it was, and this actually came up to $10. But look what I found on sale. All of them is $7.99. They have Linstead, Jamaican Choice, Grace, and Spur Tree. I'm trying to see which one I should get. I think I'm gonna try the. I tried the Linstead before. I think I'm gonna go with the Spur Tree. So I try the Grace one. You know, Grace tastes, everything Grace to me tastes good. I'm gonna try the Grace one. I think I tried the Grace one before. I'm gonna get the Grace one. So here's my cart so far. Wait, what is? I have one in here already. What is this? The Linstead. Plantain, ginger, apples. So I'm gonna use for my juicing. See potato. The big sweet potato and the ackee. I need some saltfish. I haven't had saltfish in so long. I should have the curry. I need curry too. I don't have curry powder. Yo, they erased everything. For me to buy the saltfish with the bone, it's gonna be so much money. Makes no sense. Excuse me, this is the only one you have? Oh, have you? Oh. I don't feel like walking down there. I'm just gonna get my curry and go about my business. Because I'm not trying to stay out here all day. So we're gonna try curry. The curry I want is Grace, but I need the big one. You're lying. There's no way in hell that shit is $4. I'm not gonna do. They're telling me that little bottle is $4. That's like 2 ounces for $4.69. They crazy. What's some other bottle is? Ridiculous. Them bright, no. We have Pololo already. I think one of these. I don't think I think one of them, man. Honest to God, I don't think I have one of them. But I don't want. Let me see sugar in this. No, 36 grams of sugar. How long time I drink one syrup, you know? God no, they only have cherry or fruit punch for $4.39. Yeah, that's the. You have to keep that. So I have ketchup already. It's not bad for $2.19. So that's a nice price. I like that price. Corned beef. I don't want no corned beef. I have hot sauce already. I have browning. Scott bonnet pepper. And the corned beef is $8. Wait. Oh, it's a sardine. I know sardines were like $1. $1. Now $2. No? You know, I'm come out here. The big sweet potato I just buy. That shit was $1. $1. Cause I've been using potato like making fries with potato from scratch. When I'm home, I'm making burgers and whatever. So I'm like, let me get a sweet potato and do the same thing, because that's what I should be. That's what I should have been using instead of the regular potato. But whatever. I fried it with olive oil, so it's healthy, kind of, somewhat. Still carbs. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to my little market right here and then get the greens. And I need spinach. I need a lot of spinach. I'm gonna get like four spinach, 4 containers of spinach, because it's $1. And this place, the supermarket, didn't have no cucumber. Cucumber I got, not you. The cucumber I got was another market right there. The cucumber they had there was spoiled. Juicy king crab. What? They closing Juicy king crab? Why are they closing Juicy king crab? Oh my god, look. They're closing it. It said for rent on there. Like what? A mini market right here. Eggplant, chocho. It's soup season. Jalapeno. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna try to eat it. I don't know if I can stomach it. The red bag of onion. I need that because I'm gonna make something with onions that I need. So I'm not even gonna buy this one. I'm gonna buy this one. You know the chipotle thing? Yeah, I need this onion. You don't have much thing. So I'm back by my house. Okay. You have to wonder how and why why they have a van on the sidewalk. Like, oh, see they're loading stuff. But listen, how this you do? This is the problem for people to walk. Cause come on, huh? They're blocking the whole way. Like, oh, where am I supposed to walk? Sure. Anyways, it's my yard. It's time to do some juicing. It's the color of the trees for me. It's officially fall, y'all. Fall is here. Love when the trees change color. This is celery, pineapple, ginger, spinach, and apple, and cucumber. This is all the chocolate already. And yeah. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Okay, my green juice for the morning. I'm back on my green juice-ish, man. Like, I was juicing, but I kept forgetting to buy spinach, and I need to get. I'm not really a big fan of kale because honestly I don't like how it smell. But I'm gonna have to go get some kale, like to make it really green. So this is cucumber. I'll show you yesterday. Yo, when I tell you I put so much ginger in this thing, because ginger is good for the heart, for your body, regardless, not just for your heart, but ginger is good for you. So I put a lot of ginger and I'm tasting it right now. I like that though. It's just where I go. Definitely going to the gym today. Mariana perfume is finished. I still have the other two right here. The nude and see, it's not really. I think I use a little bit of one of these. And the Rogue. And this one, the white diamonds, yeah, you can see this one I use a lot. So when I'm going to work or I'm going out, I use it. So it's almost finished. It's cold out here, people. Y'all don't understand. I was freezing. So, in here, it's consultation because I gotta get my wisdom tooth removed. All 4 of them. I'm not gonna I came here late. I got here 10:30, and I didn't wait long. They called me while I was filling out the paperwork, and yeah. So I'm just gonna get them removed. I'm gonna be sedated and all that. And I think he said in the end of October. So it's the time right now. I'm here waiting. I'm going to go see what appointment date is available for me. They have to give me.
Could you do the 26th, 27th, or 28th of October?
What days is that?
Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, respectively.
She says so.
Preferably the Wednesday.
The
There's nobody on yet, though.
Yeah, it's just Thursday, Friday, 7:50, and then it's maybe at the station back.
Wait, when is Vicky on? Oh, is that the week she's on
last
vacation?
day.
Yeah, Wednesday would be preferable.
Okay, yeah, I'll just do it.
You can do the Wednesday?
Yeah, I don't have any
Wednesday,
other choice.
Okay, no problem. Let me just get you a pre-sedation like checklist. It's just basically like it tells you not to eat or drink anything after midnight. To have someone with you. You can try doing it under local.
Yeah,
no problem with that. We can make it. We'll just probably if that is something you think you might be able to tolerate, we'd probably do one side at a time.
Oh, you said local as in mean like not sedated?
Yeah.
Oh no, I need to be sedated. I don't want to feel it at all. Clean the street, sanitation. I clean the street. Let me no one. I see me from the bus. So look, step this. Yeah. I'm gonna make a card there. Yeah, we almost on camera. Make a card. What is this?
35 to McDonald Avenue.
My bus card. Sorry. I need to make a card. Yeah. Man, I'm just thinking I'm not pay. A lot of people do they're walking from the bus and go like they don't want to pay. Oh, it's right here. I found it.
Next stop, George Avenue, East 93rd Street.
Sugar cane. And then I'm back again with the lychee. $1 this song. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get one bag. But how you know which one is good? I'm trying to try this one already. I'm try this bag. Not right on sugar cane. I need curry, breadfruit. I need a half one. I get one right now, $1.99. Somebody may have spoiled, you know. The banana too. I'm gonna take it. Swear I got the truth. I like it on the episode. Because I guess they figured like not that many people utilize that station like after 10 maybe. That's what I think why they turned it off because I don't know. I just don't like the steps. I'm home. Tired. I want to take a nap. Tired. Styling. I'm downstairs with my neighbor because she cooks, she sells food, so I just bought some chicken foot soup from her. Let me show you how it looks. Hey, chicken foot soup. First thing also today, I bought some Lycee. I'm gonna try it right now. And I biscuit, like about 4. I ate one. And regular copper was $1.29. I did buy some bola. I'm gonna have to eat this carefully. I bought some cucumber, 3, cassava, pickles, put the banana ready. That's about it. But let's try these. Let's try these. Let's wash it off. Side of vinegar. Need to buy some. And some baking soda. Wash the fruits. You hear that? Real good. Damn, it's really dirty. Sheesh. What if I get dark? I think this is a peeler, right? I don't think you're supposed to eat the skin. I think that's some shit out of it. Okay. I'm gonna take it in. Let's it out one more time. Alright. I'm gonna try this one. Alright, trying this soda first time. That one look weird taste. So look. Got a seed inside. I don't know if I like it. How does the seed take shape? Like a... I'll try one more. I mean, it's supposed to be this color or not. No. Oh, look at the skin. The seeds will peel off. Okay. Not bad, but out of 10, I'll give it a 5. It's different. They have a weird taste. Okay, I tried it. I have 3 more left. Try for $1. Remember last time I went and they had it for $2. I was like, I'm not buying this. I will buy there again. Today, and I saw it. Okay. I'll eat it later. The rest later. But yeah, I tried the Lycee or Lycee, whatever, however you say it. It's alright. It's not all that. I'm gonna see I bought it, but whatever. It's okay. Maybe it's just my taste buds. But it's alright. Around a June plum. Can't go wrong with June plum. That's what they need to bring up here. I need some June plum. Hey, say, if they ever bring June plum up here, oh, that would be the happiest girl in the world. So, there's my dinner, salmon and asparagus. I never used to like asparagus, but I gave it another try a couple months back in the last year, and I was like, okay, can't go on. So, definitely do taste good. I'm heading to the gym now. It's like 6:15. What's that called for real? Like, listen. But I'm trying to spend like 2 hours at the gym because I need to come home and get some rest for work tomorrow. I woke up too early this morning for that appointment. So, I mean, actually it's a regular time I usually wake up for work, but I didn't even get to take a nap. I was tired, and I tried to take a nap and I couldn't sleep. So, what's a cooler, man? This is my gym wear. I know I shouldn't be wearing sneakers in the damn rain, but I don't want to be changing when I get to the gym. I can't be bothered. I just want to get to working out, even though that's the point of having a locker. Today is what? Today is Wednesday, and it's raining in the city. I just came from the bank because I took some money out because I wanna I need a new bank card, so I'm gonna tell them that it's damaged. That's for me to get a new one. I need one ASAP. So when I go home, I'll do that. But another good thing is they finally opened that train station thing right there, so I don't have to go across the streets. Love that for me. I came out of it this morning. I was like, I went down there yesterday, and then came out of it this morning. I was like, oh yeah, nice. I don't have to go all the way over there. More convenient for me for work too. I will just go right there and just walk till some time, probably a 2-3 minutes, and then don't have to be waiting. But yeah, I'm going on. So, go to the train station and go home. I gotta go to the gym today. I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I'm trying to do this every other day. But this is it. Like 42nd between 6th Avenue between 42nd and 43rd. How much I called? I think what much I called yesterday. So I should be fine until next week. I got to get some cash because I don't usually have cash on me. I'm on swipe. Everywhere I go, I swipe. I'm going through here. Let me use this one. And then we're going downtown. So, this is the one we go downtown. You go straight down. This is the same one that I usually go to, but you know, I'm all the way in the back, as you can see. All the way in the back. Still better. Alright. weather didn't change. Let's switch up. See how long this F train gonna come. A lot of honks. Oh. Sleepy. I'm sleepy, but I gotta go to the gym. I didn't go to the gym last night. I'm a police car. I want a smoothie. I want some salmon. I have to make some salmon. Yeah, it's like they have. It doesn't look like it was just raining like how it is in the city. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, music, man. Is them selling ackee in the corner store for me? Yeah, I was selling ackee in the corner. I went in there and I asked them more. Hello. Man. Entertaining his crap. Anyways, what may I say? I went in there and I saw it. When I saw it the first time, I'm like, you actually sell ackee in the corner store. Why? Comes it? I think it's like 7 o'clock. I usually get home within an hour. Take 2 trains and I get home within an hour. I'm home, safe and sound. Thank you, Jesus. I don't want to make a smoothie first though. Right. Look what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, tired. Oh, this was the hair that, remember when the hair that I wore on my birthday? I actually did wash it. I think I told you on a different blog. I don't know. I did wash it and yet now a little more fuller. So compared to how it was when I first put it on. Because I didn't wash it, I guess. I don't know. Hello, I don't know nothing about wigs. So I didn't know that. So I know you definitely peaked up there already though. Because that sounds like, I don't know what the hell that means. But I think it means that you gotta do some plucking. And I don't know how much plucking I should have done or whatever so I don't get it creeping. What sounds like? But yeah, a little more fuller now than when I put it on the first time. Remember, I was like, what the hell is this? But it's not even 7 o'clock yet, look. So if I don't have no errands after work, I usually just get off work, come straight to my yard, like, yeah.